Today I am going to narrate a short story on the topic The Mermaid Princess. Woman is the princess of the lake. She is half human like us and half snake. Her upper body is a human being, her lower half is a snaky thing. In her hair, jewelers shimmer. In her face, her eyes get a mark. She lives in her wet world of spinning creature all unfurled. She swims with the fishes big and small, sometimes turtle and snakes, all tall, come to play hide and seek, promising not to sneak or peek. The sky above sends beams so bright flittering down and bathing her in light. Her father, the king, sees her gaze and warns her. The human world has different ways. You don't know what is up there. For us water dwellers, they may not care. Father says, "My child, listen to me. We live in a three-layered world, you see. In the sky above live the heavenly beings. In the middle realm live me, the human beings. We, the Lu, live underground as a snaky beings. This is the skin, not to trim. Our lives are connected. The connection has to be protected. All the other beings meet. Let me go up and gently greet." Woman begs to go. The snake hissed, "No, no, no." The weakly worms try to give her. The turtles borrow deeper to hide away. But Woman will not sway. To the surface she swims, following her whims. She spins to the top and makes a gentle bob. What a different world she sees, with singing birds and buzzing bees. The people truly walk on two legs. The animals surely move on four pegs. The world is so different from mine, but that's fine. The human world is so beautiful, but she is so dutiful, and must return to her watery palace, as she is not so callous. She goes often to the world above her, heart filled with love. It is now her daily leisure to swim up to the surface is such a pleasure. Until one day she sees the two-legged beings doing strange and dreadful things. They poured dirt into her lake, causing her heart to ache. Plastic that will soil, and oil that will boil. Shocked and sad, and exclaimed, "They cannot be so bad." Until she sees the turtle caught in a net of purple, the snakes so tall tangled up. With the twinged, it cannot move with the squeezed spine. The wiggly worms in the rocky caves go chasing plastic, floating in the waves. "No, no," roars the father king. "They hurt us, they sting. My anger is growing at the selfishness they are showing. Thunder will roar, and lightning will fall. Rains will fall without stopping, and the people will go flopping. Rivers will swell and flood, banks with mountains of mud. Sickness will come, one by one they fall." Now her heart is aching for the human being. She softly sighs, Woman pleadingly cries, "Father, can I warn them first, before you make your curse?" The father agrees. "Well, you can do your best and show me that you can pass this test." Her long hair she spins into waves, tall as the mountain. Her tears become rain and splash down as the towering fountains. Her breath becomes a fog, so dark the world never looked so stark. The frightened humans began to panic, for what they did was so tragic. "Our underground neighbors, we have offended. Our selfish behavior must be amended. making offerings with sweet scent. With folded palms, they repent. With their head bowed, they all avowed. We will always make sure to remember you are the guardian of all the world forever. Please forgive us. Please let this pass. We will always keep your lake clean for yours and our sake. Ashisomin happily smiled, and her smile spread for miles across the watery world downwards to the sky dwellers and earthly beings upwards. The three-layered world were at peace, and all turmoil will cease as long as the respect for you does not decrease. If you like this story, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.